Oh, they bite.
So last night, as you can see, we slept in the front of the truck. We used our little buddy heater, and I will speak for myself when I say that I thought it worked great, but apparently Andrew woke up like 3 times last night to fix it. He said that it might have been the sensor going off because it has an oxygen sensor on it, and so if you don't have good ventilation one way or another, then it will shut off because it's trying to save your life. So I can't be mad at that. We slept up front. Well, it's a little messy right now. My feet were cold all night, but I enjoyed myself. I thought it was a good time. We've been talking about getting an enclosed trailer or something just so we can spread out. I think that's something that we'll probably look into at the end of this road trip to see if we really like it. At this point, I don't mind paying for a hotel every other night or every once in a while and then sleeping in the front of the truck because I thought it was actually very comfortable. It was kind of weird sleeping in Walmart. It's a very interesting place to sleep when you know that other people are around, but no one came and like looked in the window as far as I know. I had a really bad eczema breakout right before we left, and so my arms were scratched all to hell last night, so I bought some Neosporin and some hydrocortisone to hopefully offset that. We're probably going to go to the doctor just to make sure that just to see if I can get anything for it. Overall experience of sleeping in the parking lot of Walmart was a 10 out of 10. I enjoyed it. My feet were cold, but my sangria was also cold, so I can't complain. Hey, Andrew.
Hello.
So I think if we can figure out how to stop at places or plan to stop at rest stops where the bathrooms are closer, I'll be much more comfortable up here. But other than that, I didn't have any problem sleeping in the front seat. What about you?
It didn't bother me none. I mean, I was up most of the night, but it wasn't uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm. And we have 100,000 blankets in the back and 100,000 pillows. So we are more than prepared to sleep up here. And I guess we'll just figure out where to go from there. But we're on our way to Zion, and we're going to enjoy the views there. And then I'm going to celebrate my graduation at 5:30 in some hot springs that I found on this route. So I'm really hoping that they live up to the expectation because I'm trying to celebrate with a giant bottle of sangria, some keto-friendly ice cream, and hopefully money from my relatives. You got anything to say?
Send money.
This is so cool and so much longer than I expected.
It's way longer than I was expecting. No wonder to no walking it. This thing's like a half a mile.
We are right next to the mountains. Oh, and there's the end. So cool. That's all I wanted. Wow. That was so cool.
Goats.
Goats!
Sorry, I'm going too fast.
Ah,
The speed limit's 30.
that was so cool.
To see some mountain goats. That was the craziest cave I've ever seen.
That was so cool. I did not know it was going to look like that, because from the pictures, it just shows you the entrance. I thought it was going to be like 5 feet, and the entrance was just fancy. But no, it went on for so long. And it was so awesome. I love this park.
This is a crazy park.
This is a pretty park.
You want to go back and hike up that little trail?
I guess so, yeah. So this is the Canyon Overlook Trail. It's right after the tunnel, the Mount Carmel Tunnel. And it's a moderate trail, about 1 mile and 163 feet in ascent. And what makes me nervous is that it says it's not for anyone who's fearful of heights, which I am. Also, my mask keeps fogging up my glasses, so there's that too. But we might see goats, sheep. We might see desert bighorn sheep.
Wow,
So,
I've been calling those mountain goats. We've actually already seen some, but it would be cool to see them outside of the truck.
exactly. So we're gonna go on this hike, and then we're probably gonna head through the scenic route, and then turn back around and head back down, so that we can edit some of these videos.
Yay!
Let's go. Everyone
she
else
goes,
seems
y'all.
so prepared, by the way.
Yeah.
They all have like backpacks and stuff, and I'm like, I didn't even bring water.
Yeah.
Is it 1 mile like up and then back? So is it like
Yes.
a half mile and a half mile, or is it
No,
1 mile?
this is
up
2
and a 1
miles
mile?
total.
Oh, gross. Okay. Well, let's go. And there's stairs.
Yeah, look at her climbing those stairs. Oh, my legs. This is Lauren, struggling, and we've made it about 13 feet from the parking lot. This trail, though, is pretty crazy. I'm loving this. It is straight up. Why is the railing stopping?
Exactly.
Well, let's see what they're saying about the afraid of heights thing. You're doing good. We're doing it so fast we're catching up with people.
Conquering fears. That's what we're doing today. It's like I'm not out of breath because I'm tired. I'm out of breath because I'm terrified.
Is this the celebratory graduation trip that you were hoping for?
No, I was planning on being drunk in a hot spring.
Yeah.
Drunk on a beach. Well, I have to do it. They're literal children.
You know, you're not too hard to push off a cliff.
Oh, sweet, sweet fencing.
Sweet, sweet fencing. Yeah, the drop-off is getting bigger.
Well, don't say that.
No, I mean, it's not getting bigger. It's part of our imaginations.
It's a boulder. It's a rock.
It's a rock. I feel like we're starting to wear into that joke a little bit.
Really? You, the king of wearing in the jokes.
No, it's okay if I do it, though. There's really a big difference.
Wow. Okay.
Treacherous bridge thingy. Ultimate fear.
I'm not getting on that. No, I'm not getting on that. No,
You're going back down?
I can't get on.
Well, let's look at it. It looks sturdy. It's not that high up. It don't look like. What you thinking? You gonna do it?
Oh my God. Oh.
Ah, look at this cave. That was impressive. You are a brave individual.
I just need to. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit for a second.
Not have you only overcome the abuse of college, you have now overcome your abuse of phobia of heights somewhat.
I hate this. Are we almost done?
I think that we were probably less than a half a mile there, I would say.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I just need this. Okay.
Take your time. We have made it to a point in our voyage that there is a wet cliff, and Lauren doesn't like cliffs, and if you wet them, it makes them less likable to her.
I got Payless tread. I don't have the kind of tread you need. This is Payless tread, and you need like Foot Locker tread or like Air Jordan tread.
You can't go that way.
Cool. Good to know.
You can come on.
Yeah, you'll probably make it across before we do. So.
Let's go the way of the speed demon.
We're just
Have a look down.
Oh, that, you know, whenever someone says don't look down, it automatically makes me want to look down.
Thing, you know?
If I don't make it, I don't make it.
I don't know if that's the mentality I'm going with, but I respect it.
It's actually a lot wider than I initially thought.
I don't know about that.
It doesn't.
I don't know about that, babe, but, you know. I just gotta run, right?
Nope. Oh, nope. Not trying to run. Oh, I can see that lift makes you run.
I feel like cameramen should be more popular because nobody realizes that they're focusing on a certain person and then like they're standing on the edge of a cliff trying to follow. That was good. See? Easy, right?
Uh-huh. Is there a point where we get to like an overlook that's like fully fenced in? Oh, my gloves are so dirty.
That is genuine leather insulated gloves you got on. Meant for hard labor, so you should be good.
This is hard labor. I'm laboring and it is hard. Hey,
It's a love-hate relationship, I feel like, but
now they're gonna have to get a helicopter to get me down.
I do feel like going down might be harder.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it back across that cliff with all that water.
It's weird that they put the railing where it's dry, no railing with it's wet ground.
They were like, if they slip here, that's their fault. They saw water. Oh, that's so pretty.
Nice and open.
Oh, nice. There's a seat. Oh, awesome. Right here.
I don't think this is it.
Far away from the cliff.
Far away from the
Right here. This is it.
After the edge, I just...
Like, you could go where she is. She seems to have a beautiful view. I'm gonna stay back here. I got all these trees to look at.
Nature.
Yeah, there's so much nature back there.
We have a boulder.
It's not a boulder. It's a rock. Oh, there's more.
Yeah, this has definitely not been a mile yet.
Are you sure it's a mile or is it half a mile both ways?
1 mile there.
You gonna take some pictures?
I mean, I've been taking a video right now. I think we're good.
Okay.
I'm ready to see this overlook. Lauren, survived. We have made it to the canyon overlook. It is absolutely breathtaking. I wish it went up to the top.
I would not go up there.
I want to still go to the top, even though I don't see a trail. What's not happening?
That's not happening.
Why not?
Because I'll stay down here.
Can I go up it?
Can you give me the keys in case you die?
Yeah, that seems fair.
Then yeah.
How do you feel about this?
I think it's really pretty. I think it's worth getting up here. I just don't know if it's worth going down. It's okay. I got the best view around.
My butt? So my butt head. I got you. I got you.
Small but mighty. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cliff. That is a ridiculous cliff. Wow. Ridiculous. There's one of those U-turns. I don't know where it went.
I don't know. It might smell
Some cute little things. That one's just sitting there posing for me.
Where?
Right there on that rock. Right there on the corner there.
Oh.
You see it? It's crazy that one walked up. I mean, it walked up right to her.
Probably thinks they got like food. There are a couple.
Oh, they bite. He just bit my finger. I mean, it didn't hurt, but that was funny.
Oh, and then they scratch. They scratch the little belly.
I hope I caught that. It's on. If you wouldn't have made a noise, it probably would have stayed on you.
I got excited. I'm sorry.
That's crazy that they're that tame that they just jump right on you.
If you sit still long enough,
They'll come up to you. Are you wetty?
I'm gonna have to get helicopter lifted out of here.
I mean, it's definitely looks conspicuous. Is that the word?
Yeah, that's.
Is that the word, Lauren Washington Dictionary?
Mm-hmm.
Let me go first. I think you went first last time. I can't remember. Drum roll, please.
Oh, I looked down. Oh no, I looked down. Okay.
Good job.
When you walk
Good
right
job.
into it, it feels shaky.
That's all we. And for y'all that think that this isn't very spooky, I just wanted to give a little more, like, it looks like a rickety looking little pole, and there is a sheer drop. This is definitely a cool spot. She survived it, y'all. She's a survivor.
I'm tired.
And tired.
My glasses. I'm glad I took the mask off because it kept fogging up my glasses. I wouldn't have made it across that thing.
We are back at the entrance. Let's watch Lauren as she takes her last few steps off of danger. Look at that. That right there is success.
Sweet level ground. Hallelujah.
Sweet level ground. And you're alive. And you're alive. Can you believe it?
I love you. Oh. Holy mother mackerel. Oh my gosh. I need to go take a nap.
Well.